All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It has been a while. I don't think I've posted since September, October, maybe November. I don't know. Somewhere. It's been a while, but yeah, we are on our way to the river, and hopefully we can get on some fish. Don't have a whole lot of time before it gets dark. Probably about an hour, but yeah, we're gonna hit a few spots. It's really shallow. We got like an inch of water or an inch of rain a few days ago or so it's probably gonna be murky. And then with all the snow melting off, that probably doesn't help. But yeah, glad to be back. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. Let's see what happens. Alrighty, let's see if we can't get something to bite. I feel like it had a bite there for a second. Probably just got tangled up in a carp. Probably fish here for about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll probably head downriver. See if we can't get anything down there. This just ain't the spot like it used to be. Man, it used to be so good. All right, let's go ahead and move on downriver. Hopefully it's still low enough where we can get down there. All right, well, doesn't seem like it's any higher than the last time I was here. Tons of crap still laying all around. I'll put my reel over here so we don't get on any sand in it like some people. Looks like somebody's been down here using some minnows. Last time I was here, I caught, I think, a hybrid and a smallmouth bass, which I didn't make a video of that, but I'll put a quick clip in. Oh! It's a tank! Holy cow! Biggest one of the day.
That's a video. My bad.
I don't know.
That's a video.
Only catch drum. Oh, double up! Smalley. Double up.
Nice hybrid. Zach with the smallmouth. Double up out here in the river. What about Parker? Parker does
Hasn't caught anything yet.
Wait, can I look at? Nice.
Better than nothing. I mean, it was like the first fish I have caught in I don't know how long. First fish of 2026. So hoping we get some more. Probably try down there a little further too. Just work my way down. Wish I would have brought my freaking boots. I forgot again, so I could have walked out there and actually got a little further cast out there, because I need to be like way over there to actually get to anywhere that there's depth. It's super shallow here on the bank. There's actually a carp right there. I believe that's a carp. Yeah, that's a carp. Oh, crap. Oh, I thought we got that old stick fish. I don't know where the carp went. The fish in this area should be relatively active. I mean, with as warm as the water is, and it's been in the highs of like 50s, 60s or whatever for like a week and a half. I don't know how long, but I mean, it gets cold at night, but I would think that this would heat up pretty quick with that spillway discharging. Because I know in like the dead of winter, it was like 32, maybe, I don't even know if it was in the 30s. But we were still getting 55 or so, 58 degrees river temp. So it has to heat up pretty quick. Look, there's somebody brought their dog down here. There's some coyote tracks. Of all the times I've been down here, though, I've never seen a coyote. All right, look. Let's bring my bag, because I know as soon as I walk all the way over there, I'll break off and lose my bait. Then I have to walk all the way back. I feel like there's a fish right there on the bank, but I can't tell 100%. Oh, got one. There we go. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. I don't remember how you tell the whole tooth patch on what it is, but if I had to guess, let's say that's probably a hybrid. But I'm not 100% sure. All right, first fish. Hopefully they're schooled up right there. That would be amazing. Oh, they are. Another one. Heck yeah. That, I don't know what, is that a yellow bass? Seems like a, no, it seemed like a yellow bass, but is that a hybrid? It seems kind of, it just doesn't seem like a white bass, but it doesn't really, I don't know, comment down below. I don't know if you can see the mouth there very well. It kind of seems kind of long for a hybrid, but it's also really small. All right, man, if we got a school right here, that is awesome. Oh, there's one. All right. Oh, a crappie. Sweet. That's a pretty one. Was that a black crappie? Looks like something tried to get him there. All right. Take a picture of him. That's a pretty crappie there. Man, I miss fishing. Oh, I feel like all I've done lately is just work. There's another one, and I missed it. Man, that was 4 fish in that little hole. I had 2 bites, but missed them both. Or 3 fish in that little hole, and missed 2. Let's say that's pretty great, as I've fished how many spots now and haven't caught a single fish. And we haven't made it to the big hole there yet. Give it one more cast in here. I kind of want to get right there in front of that log. I keep missing where I've been wanting to actually get, which has paid off. Still didn't get it quite, but wish we could pull another crappie out. Oh shoot, that's probably as good as I'm gonna get. And I think it was a fish on the drop. Yep. Oh, it came off. It was. There was a fish on the drop. Oh, I thought I seen it get hit. My bait's starting to get loose a little bit, which kind of my fault. I kind of put it on there crappy. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Man. I felt like I set the hook too early. It was thumping it. I don't know what it was that was thumping it, but something was thumping it. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap this video up. We caught a few fish. I mean, I think that's pretty good for what you could expect this time of year. Like I said, the weather's been up and down. It's still cold at night. It's nice and calm. Super shallow. It's pretty murky. I don't know. We didn't really get that much rain the other day. I think maybe like an inch, but with all the snow melting and running off the banks and stuff, probably attributed to that, or contributed to that water being so dirty. But yeah, can't complain. We caught some fish. That's what we came out here to do. And hopefully we'll get back to making regular videos again and fishing more. I missed it a lot. It was nice to get out and actually catch something. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.